Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a clean, declutter, and pack with me video. So let's jump right into the video.
Magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world.
So first I'm going to be showing you what I've packed so far. We have some things in the dining room that are going to be going to Goodwill. In the living room are some things that I'm going to be taking. And we've already cleared out some things in the kitchen, so there's no Tupperware. Only the things that we're using, a few pots and pans, and we've cleared out the laundry room. But today we're going to be focusing on the boys' room. This is the easiest and I would say messiest room in the house. So I chose to focus on this room today. So we're going to be deep cleaning and getting rid of a lot of things that I won't be taking during the move.
I won't fight it, can't deny it. I'm under your spell. Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven.
So it's been about a good 7 to 8 months since I posted a video on this channel, and I must say that I haven't had the motivation to post anything over here. But a few videos back I did tell you that I was going to be moving. Unfortunately, I won't be buying a house, but I am moving into a different space, and I have to get rid of a lot of things because we won't have as much space at the new place that we have here. So I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of things that I won't be taking with me, and also some things that the kids just don't need anymore. So that's what I'll be getting rid of in this video.
It's high up above from the ground, but closer to heaven.
Say you love me.
So over in this little nook on the side of the bunk beds, it's really problematic because this is where the kids' toys are stored. But they also have a lot of other things over here. I found so many things as far as like water bottles and food items, food packages. I found so many things. It was really frustrating. So in the new place, we have a lot more storage spots that I can put the toys so that the kids can't store items like that, like they did before or like they're doing now. So I'm really happy about that. But I did find so many things that the kids shouldn't have had in their room.
Never know it, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
While I was going through this trash, I found so many things that had been missing, like the remote to the TV, so many charging blocks for different devices. I found batteries, so many things that they said they couldn't find was located here in all of this junk.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. I've been patient with your love. show it enough. And I wish you could open up, and take my worry in and make it stop. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning.
I also found like piles of socks, missing shoes, clothing items that had been missing for a while. I found so many things in this room. It deserves a really good deep cleaning. So I'm happy I was able to do this.
Say now, 'cause I can't wait for you forever. No, no. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for.
So another thing that I am happy about is that in the new space we won't have any carpet. I'm super happy about that because carpet holds a lot of dirt, germs, it gets stained easily. So I'm happy that we don't have carpet anywhere throughout the new place. It's only hardwood floors, which is good and easier to clean. So I won't need this vacuum anymore, even though I just bought it maybe about 2 months ago. I'm happy that I did buy it to get up all the stuff up off the floor today. It's been very useful.
Just to let it go, cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass.
So here's a before clip of what the room looked like. There were things everywhere, some stuff I had already packed up before I started filming this video. And here is the after.
Demons they leave. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short, and the problem solved might be easier. For you.
It does look much better than what it was before. It has a lot less items in it. The closet is pretty much empty, and I got rid of a lot of toys. Thank you for tuning in to my video. I hope it gave you some motivation to clean up a room in your house. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing a lot more cleaning and decluttering videos in the next upcoming week, so I'll see you guys soon.
Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in